Hey guys, Courtney King here, and today we are going to be talking about collagen and some of my favorite collagen products now sold at GNC. So collagen is found naturally in our body, and it has so many important benefits as it's kind of like a glue that holds everything together. Meaning collagen helps support your bones, your joints, your skin. If you didn't know, Vital Proteins is a collagen-based company. So they have everything from beauty collagen drink mixes to the original collagen peptides to pre-workouts to recover drinks to collagen creamers and way more, which is so great because that just means it is easier to get in your everyday diet. Collagen is found naturally in the body, but as we age, our natural collagen production declines. So supplementing with collagen is something that is very easy to do. I'm gonna show you guys a drink that I make every single morning. I really look forward to it. I either make a tea, a matcha latte, a coffee, a decaf coffee. It really just depends what I'm feeling that day, but I'm gonna show you how simple and easy it is. You can either, if you just like your coffee plain with a little creamer, throw in your collagen, stir it up with a spoon. It is that simple. I personally like to blend my coffee because I really love the frothiness. It kind of just reminds me of like a little latte. So let's jump into it, and I'm gonna show you how I make my collagen infused coffee staple. So not only is collagen great on the beauty side, Vital Proteins has also taken collagen and really changed the game, coming out with a Vital Performance line. They have everything from a Vital pre-workout to a Vital recovery drink. These are my favorite to drink during my workouts, as well as a sleep aid. So the Vital Pre has 140 milligrams of caffeine, collagen infused with tons of different other aminos, and I like to do about 1 scoop because sometimes I find 140 milligrams of caffeine is maybe a little much for me. So I will just do 1 heaping scoop of the Vital Pre. Then I will take my water. So I'm gonna sip on this bad boy, and then I'm gonna take you guys through an at-home workout you can do completely with no weights, just yourself in the comfort of your living room. So let's go.